there are so many applications, so many verticals in different industries that we can now do production in because the cost is significantly less. And then you have a process that's just inherently extremely fast.
I own a small electronics company called Knuckle Dragger Design, and we make primarily communications equipment for mostly government, typically build to order. And so we don't really do high quantity stuff. It's always like 0 to maybe like 100 pieces, per order.
Most of the applications that Knuckle Dragger is making is enclosures, some brackets, a lot of internal components.
The MJF is really nice because we can actually design the parts and get them quickly. And they're printed so we can kind of design them however we want. Where previously we were restricted by the manufacturing methods.
Some of the benefits there is also condensing the total amount of parts that are typically made in a lot of these pieces where you'd have to design one part, another part, and then produce them all separately and then marry them all together. Where now you can take some of those parts and say, hey, I'm not going to make 3 parts, I'm going to make this into 1 part.
The printer allows us to make better designs and newer designs. For us, it's really neat. We can kind of design some more interesting features into our parts. And the parts have come out really nice.
The speed in MJF is the game changer for how you can actually go into manufacturing.
I wish I was young again because you can just do whatever you want. And then you just design exactly what you want, the way you want it, and then you just send it off to the printer.